song. Hey, Coiny, you're a penny. You're worthless. Worthless isn't the right word. You meant to say I'm priceless. You? Priceless? As if. Well, at least I have a brain.
Wow, guys. Calm down.
And what would you know, tennis ball? You don't even have arms. Well, at least tennis ball knows more than you. Really, Coiny? You know, I would barf if you on Dream Island. Well, I wouldn't be surprised if I did.
So let's find out who won't win Dream Island. Last episode, your little team of 3 lost again. Go that way to the cake at steak place.